What's up guys, Panda Quickscope here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to download this GTA 5 mod menu. Now I've already done a video on another GTA 5 mod menu, but this one just has different features that you can do, and some of the stuff that isn't working on the other menu works on this menu. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to this website, and then you're going to want to click download right here. And once you click download, down in the bottom left, this will pop up. But also, there's going to be these controls down here. This tells you all the controls. You have to have a numpad on your keyboard, or else you can't use the mod menu. So you go here, go show in folder, and you're going to want to drag it to your desktop. Then you're going to want to right click on it. Then you're going to want to click extract files here, and then you will have a folder that looks like this right here. If you click on it, this will be inside. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up Steam, go to library, games, right click on it, click properties, and then click local files, then browse local files. Then you're going to want to take this menu, and you're going to want to take the ASI and the XML file and just put that into the folder. And you want to put it into this where it says name right here. You don't want to put it in any of these. Now I already have these, so I'm just going to replace them. And then you're going to want to open up GTA. Now that you've opened up GTA, you can press F1 to open up the mod menu and use the numpad arrows to go up and down and left and right. Use 5 to go enter to select. So if I press 5, then it selects. Also, if you don't have a numpad on your computer or keyboard, you're kind of screwed, because that's the only way you can use it. There will be a tutorial. There will be a link in the description of a video of me reviewing this mod menu and showing you how to do a lot of the things, like how I'm a police officer and how my motorcycle is being rainbow. You can also press F2 to note clip. And what note clipping is you can just go through anything as fast as you want. You can go slow, medium, fast, very fast, extremely fast, and all of these you need to press shift to change whichever one you want. So if you want it slow, you press shift, and then you press shift to cycle through. You press Q to go up, Z to go down. You can also press A, D to rotate, W and S to go forward or backward. And that's pretty much the gist of what you can do with the menu.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just took the lean in the family, credit cards and the scammers, getting no licks in the band, legacies.